Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Tongue Travel. So today we are going to make easy homemade mayonnaise. So the ingredients we need is a cup of oil, 2 to 3 pieces of crushed garlic, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 eggs, salt and pepper as per your taste. Now break the 2 eggs into the grinder and then add the chopped garlic and lemon juice and salt and pepper. Now grind this mixture well for about 30 to 40 seconds. So when the mixture is completely grinded, now grind it by adding oil gradually. Just add it slowly so that it forms into a thick mayonnaise. So now your homemade delicious garlic mayonnaise is ready to be served. Well, I must say you'll be mad at this.